Hi guys, I'm Ajit. I'm a naturalist. I came across a very elusive bird today that every bird enthusiast longs to see, the Malabar Trogon. The Malabar Trogon is a species of bird that is distributed along parts of South India and Sri Lanka. So these birds are very shy and are known to inhabit the thick understory of the forest, such as the one behind me here, and are mainly known to feed on insects and fruits. So these birds have sexual dimorphism in them, which is quite prominent, as the males have black heads with bright red breast feathers and the females are a mix of beige and yellow. So they are known to nest in dry tree hollows and lay a clutch of 2 to 4 eggs. They are very shy in nature and are known to take off at the first hint of danger, which makes it an absolutely amazing experience when you come across one in the wild.